Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aditi. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Also good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Angel. This is Angel route number 29 or Angel Anand?
Ma'am, route number 29.
Okay. How are the tests going on?
Very nice, ma'am.
Good. Very good. That's so nice. Acha, tell me, in the previous class, what did we do?
Ma'am, we were doing exercises and question answers, and last three answers are left.
Last.
No, not last three. We were on E part.
Okay, E part exercise questions were left, right?
Ma'am, E part, the fifth one.
Okay, E part, fifth one. Right. They take so much of time in joining. Okay, I'm sharing the screen with you all. Just give me a second.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Aditya. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good. That's
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, bache. Good morning, Tarini. You know, Tarini, I really love your name.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is the meaning of your name? Do you know?
Ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, Goddess Durga.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So we were on exercises. We have test on 24th, right?
Ma'am.
And
Yes,
before 24th.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ved. Good morning. Before 24th, we'll be having a class. So today we will continue with the exercises and the work completion. And on 24th,
Ma'am, on the date when we have class, ma'am, the same day we have our paper.
no, before
No,
that,
ma'am, we will get.
we'll get one day before, prior to that, no? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So revision we'll do that day. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Let us continue with the completion of the work. And
Ma'am, we have done till question number 3 of
E.
E.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am.
I'm just sharing the screen with you. Give me a second. Fine. We were on which part?
Ma'am, E part. Ma'am, question number E, third part.
Question number E, third part. Okay. Yes, I think this one, right?
Yes.
E part, which question?
Ma'am, we have to start
Third.
fourth.
Fourth, we have
Fourth question.
fourth question, right? Right. So the question says, give points to show difference between, distinguish between evergreen and evergreen forest and the deciduous forests, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to answer this way only. Distinguish between evergreen forests and deciduous forests. So I have written points to show difference between evergreen and deciduous forests. It is given on page 157. So I have given 2 points for the same answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we take the screenshots?
Yeah, you can. You can.
Ma'am, we have to write now.
No, you can take the screenshots. This is answer 4.
Ma'am, take.
Taken up till here. Okay. Then question number 5. Why have some wildlife species become endangered? Anybody for this answer?
May I?
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, wildlife species, some wildlife species became endangered because of the never-ending human greed for skin, fur, ivory, horn, and other animal products has led to reckless hunting of animals in many parts of world.
Okay. Anybody else for the same answer?
Can I?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, some species have become endangered because of the large scale of deforestation, which have robbed the wildlife of their natural habitat, which leads to a de-wilding in their numbers.
Okay. Or we can write it this way also. Some wildlife species have become endangered due to the reckless hunting of animals for their skin, ivory, fur, and horns. I think this is more appropriate.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So you can write this one. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can we have the next part, F? F part, question number 1. Can you read out the question, Aditya?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Where are coniferous forests located? What type of trees are found here?
Coniferous forest. Anybody for this answer?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta. Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, coniferous.
Yes,
Ma'am,
wait.
coniferous forests are located between 55 and 70-degree latitudes in northern hemisphere, southern Alaska, southern Canada, northern Russia, parts of Scandinavia, high altitudes of the tropical regions, and the trees found here are pine, fir, spruce, larch, cedar occur in pure stands. One species found over a vast area ideal for lumbering.
Okay. We can write it this way as well.
Okay.
The way it is given here. We can write coniferous forests, also called as taiga forest, taiga, are located between 55 degrees and 70 degree latitudes in northern hemisphere and high altitudes of the tropical regions in southern hemisphere, including Alaska. I think this much is more than sufficient. Then the second part comes coniferous forests. Coniferous forests have pine, fir, spruce, larch, cedar as common trees of these forests, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can take
Okay.
this short. Then the next question.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Let Aditi tell. Wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am Ridhima.
Acha, sorry, Ridhima. Bacha. So sorry. Your voices are so similar, no?
Yes, ma'am. Compare the tropical and the temperate grasslands under the following headings: areas, natural vegetation. Temperate tropical grasslands area, tropical zone on either side of rainforest in Africa, Brazilian highlands, northern Australia. Areas of temperate grasslands, interiors of continents in the mid latitudes. With natural vegetation of tropical grasslands is scattered small trees, and natural vegetation of temperate grasslands is scattered small trees like willow, poplar, alder.
Right. Fine. Do I need to specify anything in this? It is all clear. The way you have written. See, I have made the format how you need to do this answer. Is it clear?
Ma'am, we have to mention wildlife also.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
you specify trees and wildlife as well. Because as it is, you have to write, like you have to learn about all this. So in the question, if you are doing it, that is more than sufficient. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Now, the next question.
Ma'am, we have to specify characteristics and wildlife also.
Yes, beta, trees and wildlife, everything you need to write.
Okay.
Chaliye, read out the next question.
Ma'am, describe the type of vegetation found in deserts.
Okay. So for this, who will answer the question? Ved?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in desert, ma'am, what is written? Ma'am, ma'am,
Xerophytic.
Xerophytic. Xerophytic vegetation which can adapt to the hot, dry climate. Thorny bushes, shrubs, coarses, grasslands, and trees are cactus,
Acacia, date palms.
Okay.
Okay. So what you will do when you are writing about the desert vegetation, you will write about the characteristics given in the book, page 160, and the tree types that they have asked. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next question. What is the next question?
Ma'am, explain why forests are considered an important natural resources.
Hanji, batao.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Forests are an important natural resource as they are useful to us in a number of ways, like they provide us timber and a host of other products like raisins, gums, medicinal herbs, leaves, honey, etc. They help in maintaining the ecological balance by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They can cause rainfall and prevent floods and soil erosion, and they also provide natural habitat to various species of wildlife.
Okay, there are many waiting in the room. Wait. Hanji, beta, Angel,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read one more time? Can you read one more time?
Okay, ma'am. Forests are an important natural resource as they are useful in a number of ways, like they provide us timber and a host of other products like raisins, gums, medicinal herbs, leaves, honey, etc. They help in maintaining the ecological balance by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They can cause rainfall and prevent floods and soil erosion. They also provide natural habitat to various species of wildlife.
Very good. I hope you all got these lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have to do
Yes,
is
ma'am.
you will be starting your answer with this. Forests are considered an important natural resource as they are useful to us in a number of ways. Then you will write the points. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, चलिए.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चा. अग्रिमा बोलो बच्चा.
Ma'am, what are we doing? Can you please tell? I joined.
बेटा, we are doing question answers of chapter 4. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए.
Can I tell the next one?
Yes, Bhavya.
Okay, ma'am. Enumerate the various measure of the forest conservation.
Conservation.
Yes, ma'am.
Conservation.
Yes, ma'am. Some
Ah.
important measures of the forest conservations are given here. Reckless deforestation should be checked. The practice of shifting cultivation among tribal people should be stopped as forests are cleared for cultivation. Forest fires which cause a lot of damage to forests should be prevented. Unplanned or unauthorized urban growth should be checked. Forest areas should not be converted into farmlands. The most important measure is to plant more trees. Large-scale afforestation programs should be taken up by the government and other local agencies in India. One Mahotsav is a good example.
What we can do is, for this particular part, we can, for this last point that you have read out just now, we can take the second line from here. Large scale afforestation programs should be taken up by the government. Up till here, only these many lines for this point. Will it be okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
All have underlined?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Rest of the points, rest of the points as it is we are going to write. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now coming to the last answer. Conservation of, steps that
Now
are,
conservation of
Step.
wildlife.
so what we can write is, like we have written, forests are considered an important natural resource. We can write that, sorry. We can write conservation of wildlife is important as number of species of wild animals have become endangered, and some have already become extinct. Right? Up till here you have written, then you will write, sorry.
Ma'am, this point is for which answer?
This is for the second answer of G part. Steps that are being taken to protect wildlife.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to give the introductory lines. These are the introductory lines for the answer. I hope these are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will write steps that are being taken. Steps that are being taken so yeah. Being okay, that are being taken to protect wildlife. Then you will write first step. First is you will write that many national parks, comma, protected forests, comma, wildlife sanctuaries, sorry, SA. Wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves have been set up right? Then large scale deforestation has been stopped to preserve wildlife in their natural habitat. Fine. Then a strict check has been imposed on the reckless hunting of animals. See, not sufficient points are given in your book. So what I have done, the points that are given for how the wildlife is becoming extinct and what are the problems they are facing, I have used those points to show how they can be preserved. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Right.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other point that you have in your mind, you can always suggest that also. Class? If any one of you has a point. You can also share it. We can also write about this, that, you know, though it is an additional point not given in your book, but still we can always take help of this one. I think somebody has come to the meeting. Let me. Right. We can write that Project Tiger and Project Tiger, then Project Rhino, and many other eco development plans projects have been introduced, right? I think
Okay,
these
ma'am.
4 points
Okay,
are
ma'am.
4 points are more than sufficient, right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You all can take the screenshot of this.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please show up.
Okay, showing. बेटा ये जो नेशनल पार्क है इनके नंबर्स भी स्पेसिफाई कर दें क्या ब्रैकेट्स में, अप्रोक्सीमेट जो हमारे पास है? हाँ
Ma'am, numbers of national parks and sanctuaries.
yes, wildlife sanctuaries that we have.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
See, for national park, what you can do is, in brackets, you can write 103, right? As per the data that is available. Then for the wildlife sanctuaries, we can write 535, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am, please show the introductory line.
Okay.
please show the second and third point also.
Okay.
Ma'am, please show the last point.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Last point. You're done.
Yes, ma'am.
So with this, our chapter 4 is complete, right? Along with the question answers.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. I think, can you tell me what all work I have given you for this chapter other than the map work?
Ma'am, we have to do the map work also.
Only map.
Yes. Map work that is given on page number 158.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have done that.
I think in the previous class I told you about this, that map work you have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus, have I told you that for your Acha, tell me, did we do any worksheet, any revision part we have done for
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
nothing we have done.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We have 6 minutes in our hands, right? So if I share a worksheet with you, will you be able to do it right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see. Okay, can you see the questions given over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, wait a second. Discovery of petroleum deposits in these countries have turned them into rich nations. You have to name. This is the first question, okay? Name any two such countries. Then second one is, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. we can have this as second. Dash and dash are classified on the basis of their renewability.
Ma'am, we have to write these in fair.
You can do only the answer part in the fair notebooks, right? Write as worksheet, revision worksheet, geography. Jitna abhi ho jata hai, you do it, and remaining we will do in the next class that we will be having, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we only have to write the answers.
Only answers, because this worksheet I'll be sharing with you in the class group, but not now, next week.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. How many questions you have done, class?
I'm on the fourth question.
Huh?
Ma'am, 4.
Okay, fine.
Four.
Ma'am, 4.
Less than 1 minute is left. So do as per whatever time we have, do it, and then remaining we will do in the next class that we'll be having. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
That day we'll be having 2 worksheets. Okay. Chali, all the best for your next class.
Okay, ma'am.
All the best for your next test.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. God bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice day, ma'am.
Chalo. Prepare well. Okay.